Good morning, dear students.
Good morning, sir.
Are you hearing me properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And screen is visible or not?
Yes, sir, it is visible.
Is there any problem from substitution method from question number A?
No,
Perfect.
sir.
Okay, complete those questions. If problem comes, you may ask to me. Yesterday, while solving questions of exercise 10, we solved questions related to substitution method and one question related to elimination method also, but because of lack of time at last, we finished it within few minutes, I think. So I am going to repeat it for you such that you may understand it properly. So question is solve the pair of equation by elimination method, and equations given to us are 7x plus 9y is equal to 41 and 2 equal to 13. These two equations are given. For elimination method, we must make two terms with variables, same variables. We have to make the coefficients also same. यहाँ coefficient 9 छ भने यहाँ पनि 9 बनाउनु पर्यो, या यहाँ coefficient 7 र 2 छ भने यो दुईटाको coefficient पनि same बनाउनु पर्यो. One procedure you can choose. So I choose the process to make this y same. दुईटैको y same बनाउनुको लागि यो सेकेन्ड इक्वेसनलाई हामीले 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गरेर 9 बनाएको थियौं. Second equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 and 7x plus 9y is equal to 41. 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. It is second equation and it is multiplied by 3 as we said here. 3 ले किन मल्टिप्लाई गर्यौं भने यो 9y सँग इक्वल बनाउनको लागि पुरै इक्वेसनलाई 3 ले मल्टिप्लाई गर्यौं. So it becomes 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9 and 13 3 is 39. Now subtract the equations. While subtracting, we must change the sign. जहाँ जहाँ प्लस छ माइनस बनाउनु पर्छ. And 9y as well as 9y, these two are cancelled. After cancelling 7x minus 6x, it is x only. 41 minus 39, it is 2. So value of x obtained by solving these two is 2. Now after getting value of x को value आइसक्यो भने यो x को value लाई equation 1 मा राख्दा पनि हुन्छ, or you may put this value in equation second. So put this value in equation first. 7 into 2, in place of x we have to put 2 plus 9y is equal to 41, and take 14 to right hand side. 9y is equal to 41 minus 14. 2 value of y is 3. These are our required answer. Okay, then let's move to next question. If you don't have problem, solve the pair of equations by elimination method and check the solution. This is question number 10 of same B. Question number B को 10 number question solve गर्दैछौं. So in this question, in first one there is x plus 2y is equal to 7. Next one is 2x minus y is equal to 4. So in previous question, we subtracted one equation from another. Second equation, first equation बाट subtract गरेका थियौं. कसरी subtract गर्यौं? After multiplying that by 3. But check here. Here is 2y and in second one there is minus y. एउटा plus y छ, एउटा minus y छ भने यिनीहरुलाई subtract गर्न जरुरत छैन. Multiply second equation by 2 only. Second equation लाई 2 ले multiply गरेर add गरिदियो भने आफै subtract हुन्छ. Plus and minus will be cancelled. So simple process we will use as like last one. This is equation first and this one is equation second. Now multiply equation second by 2. Equation second like 2 ले multiply करा and subtract, add it with 1. Equation second into 2 is added with equation 1. I made it shorter for you. एउटा लाइनमा 2 ले multiply गर्ने, दोस्रो लाइनमा add गर्ने भन्ने process हुन्छ generally. So to make it short for you, I just written it in same line, adding equation second into 2 with equation first. So x plus 2y is equal to 7 is equation first. It is added with equation second into 2. That is 4x minus 2y is equal to 8. While adding, sign remains same. जस्तो sign थियो त्यस्तै हुन्छ. यहाँ plus it is written as addition. Addition हो भनेर plus लेखिदिउँ. Otherwise it is plus itself. यहाँ कुनै sign छैन भने then also it is positive. Now these 2y and 2y are cancelled. The remaining value x plus 4x it is 5x. 7 plus 8 it is 15. Now divide this 15 by 5. 15 divided by 5 it is 3. If we'll put value of x in any equation out of these two, we will get value of y also. So 3 plus 2y, this is the value of x. यो equation first जुन माथि छ यसमा x को ठाउँमा 3 राख्यौं. Plus 2y is equal to 7. Now simplify it, take this 3 to right side. 2y is equal to 7 minus 3 and 2y is equal to 4. That means y is equal to 2. 4 is divided by 2. In this way, we get x is equal to 3 as well as y is equal to 2. Is there any confusion?
No, sir.
No?
No, sir.
So if you don't have any problem, let's move to graphical method. Two methods we used up to now. Third one is graphical method. Solve the equation by graphical method. And first question is x plus y is equal to 16, x minus y is equal to minus 4. Yesterday, while starting this chapter, while discussing about graphical method, I said that we have to prepare a table from these two equations, and from that table, two lines are drawn on graph paper. ग्राफ पेपरमा लाइनहरु ड्रा गरिसकेपछि दुईटा लाइनहरु इन्टरसेक्ट भएको पोइन्ट, दुईटा लाइनहरु काटिएको पोइन्ट, that is our solution. That is the common solution. So its process, just remember the process. If it says use solve by using graphical method, process is at first we have to tabulate values of x and y. X र y को भ्यालुहरु tabulate गर्नु पर्यो. After that, draw the graph from the table. ग्राफ बनाइसकेपछि then point of intersection of two lines is our solution. जुन पोइन्टमा दुईटा लाइनहरु काटिन्छन् त्यही हाम्रो सोलुसन हो. Okay, so for it at first take these two equations. X plus y is equal to 16 is one equation, x minus y is equal to minus 4 is another equation. And now from first equation, to get value of y or to get value of x, just change it in form of x is equal to 16 minus y. Y is taken to right side. You may take y is equal to 16 minus x also. X लाई right side तिर लगेर 16 minus x लेख्न पनि मिल्छ. Y is equal to 16 minus x. That is your choice. So now tabulate values of x and y. अब यो tabulate गर्ने भने कस्तो भने y को ठाउँमा के भ्यालु राख्दै गएर x को भ्यालु find out गर्ने भने हो. Nothing more than that. Just look at this table. x is equal to 16 minus y छ. y को ठाउँमा 16 नै राख्दियौ भने कति होला त भनेको यहाँनिर. If y is 16, 16 राखिदिएपछि 16 minus 16 it will be 0. त्यसरी क्याल्कुलेट गर्नु पर्यो. Either you may use your rough copy or you may use your mind directly. 16 minus 16. If y is 16, 16 minus 16 it is 0. This is clear to you? Just look at the second column. 0, 16. How we get this 0, 16? Yes, please reply.
We put y as a 16.
Yes, y, if y is 16, 16 minus 16 it is 0. Similarly,
0.
if y is 0, y 0 भयो भने 16 minus 0 कति हुन्छ त? 16 minus 0 it is 16 only. So we get 16 here by putting value of y 0. Similarly, if we'll put y is equal to 8, if y is equal to 8,
16 minus
16 minus 8,
8
that
only.
will be 8 only. So is there any confusion in this table?
No, sir.
No, sir.
I'm happy to see 63%. That means 62. With me, there are 63. Okay. Similarly, we have to draw table for next one also. Second को लागि पनि यसै गरी table draw गर्नु पर्ने हो. As we drawn this one for first equation. Now from equation second, we can write x is equal to minus 4 plus y. Minus y लाई right side तिर लगेपछि plus y हुन्छ. It is x is equal to minus 4 plus y. And similarly tabulate values of x and y. यहाँ पनि त्यस्तै गरेर जस्तो y is equal to 4 लियो भने 4 minus 4 0 हुन्छ. त्यसै गरी y is equal to 0 लियो भने x is equal to minus 4 आउँछ. जस्तो y is equal to 8 लियो भने 8 minus 4 it will be 4 only. If y is equal to 4, 4 minus 4 it is 0. If y is equal to 0, minus 4 plus 0 it is minus 4 only. Similarly, if y is equal to 8, 8 minus 4 it is 4 only. In this way this table is calculated. Now after calculation of this table, we must represent this in graph paper. So today maybe you don't have graph paper. If you have graph paper along with you, nearby to you, you may take it to plot this. If you don't have, plot these afterward. And tomorrow don't forget to take graph paper with you. Okay, we'll solve some more questions tomorrow also related to graph. So let us plot this in graph. Okay, this screen is observable to you.
Yes, sir.
Just wait. I want to put this at one side so that we can plot the points here. Both screen are visible to you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so first point is 0, 16. I am going to plot here. तिमीहरुले graph में plot गर्ने हो 0, 16. This is first point for us. Yes, here is the point 0, 16. यो point आयो, मैले यहाँ राख्ने बित्तिकै आयो. Second point is 16, 0. 16, 0. Look at this one. यहाँ अर्को point पनि आयो 16, 0. Okay. And our third point is 8, 8.
Yes, 8, 8.
8, 8. So put this point also. Your point this is the software GeoGebra Classic 5. If you want to use it, you may download it from internet. कुनै browser use गरेर geogebra.org मा गयो भने त्यहाँबाट डाउनलोड्स भित्र यो भेटिन्छ GeoGebra Classic 5. अब यो Classic 6 भर्जन को पनि छ, but that is online version. So I downloaded this offline version. Offline version download गरेर use गरिरहेको छु. Online version GeoGebra Classic 6 पनि download गर्न सक्छ. Okay, and features are different than this one for Classic 6. Next point is 8, 8. 8, 8. This is third point. I want to hide the name. I want to show you the points only. Okay. So for third one, just observe these points. It is 0, 16. It is 16, 0. And third is 8, 8. Similarly, plot next table also. अर्को table पनि छ यहाँ हामीसँग. In next table, there are also 3 points. Those are 0, 4, 0, 4. First point. Second point, minus 4, 0. Minus 4, 0. This is second point, and third point is 4, 8. 4, 8. Now after drawing both points from both table, draw line through these points. यो पोइन्ट्सहरु भएर पास हुने लाइन पनि हामीले ड्रा गर्नुपर्ने छ. Okay, so you have to use scale here to draw line, but I am drawing line here by using the points. First 2 points are A, B, C. So let me take A, B, point option A. The next one is B. Line draw भयो. Okay, have you observed the line?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ x plus y equal to 16 पनि देखाएको छ नि. हामीसँग इक्वेसन थियो x plus y equal to 16, isn't it? त्यही इक्वेसन यहाँ ड्रा भयो. नेक्स्ट वान इज अनदर इक्वेसन x minus y is equal to -4. त्यसको लागि पनि दुईटा यसमा भएको दुईटा पोइन्टहरु 0, 4 र 0, -4 यो दुईटा या कुनै दुईटा पोइन्ट लिदा पुगिहाल्छ. नो नीड टु टेक 3 points here to draw. But in your copy ग्राफ पेपर यो तीनवटा पोइन्ट लिनुको रिजन के हो भने रङ भयो कि राइट भयो चेक गर्नको लागि तीनवटा पोइन्ट लिन्छ. जस्तो मानौ तेस्रो पोइन्ट यहाँ आयो भने माथि या तल कहीँनिर पर्यो भने थाहा हुन्छ कि यु डिड रङ देयर. एउटै लाइनमा पर्नु पर्यो तीनटै पोइन्टहरु. यहाँ यो जेब्राको लागि मैले तीनटा नलिए पनि हुन्छ, दुईटा मात्रै लियो भने लाइन ड्रा भइहाल्छ. लेट मी ड्रा नेक्स्ट लाइन. लाइन सेगमेन्ट विथ point. Let D and E. D is 1 point and E is another point. This is the another line. X minus y is equal to -4 भन्ने लाइन पनि यहाँ ड्रा भयो. देखिँदैछ? Okay, let us make big screen now. पुरै बनाऊ किनकि टेबल हामीले यहाँ प्लट गरिसक्यौ. Okay, are you observing it clearly?
Yes, sir.
अब यो दुईटा लाइनको point of intersection यो point हेर्नु पर्ने हो. Where these two lines intersect each other. From 8, no, it is 1, 2,
6,
6,
10.
6,
16. 10.
10. Okay, let me make more bigger so that it can give single numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 6, 10. We can find out point of intersection also. U tool bata point of intersection. First, this is the first line and this one is second line. A point of intersection यहाँ देखियो नि G भन्ने. Are you observing this one? Point G.
Yes, yes.
This is point of intersection. यहाँनिर चाहिँ 6, 10 यता देखाएको पनि छ अल्जेब्रा भ्यूमा. G is equal to 6, 10. यो point यहाँ आयो. अब यो point लाई यहाँनिर देखाउन पनि सकिन्छ. अब यो object properties मा गएर here we have to show name and value. Okay, may say value only also. यो 6, 10 भन्ने देखियो त अब?
Yes, sir.
0.6, 10. So one thing is completed. के काम गरिसक्यौ? दुईटा लाइन्सहरु ड्रा गरिसक्यौ. पोइन्ट अफ इन्टरसेक्सन कति हो भन्ने पनि थाहा पाइसक्यौ. 6, 10 point of intersection भयो. And if we get point of intersection, next thing that we have to write inside the table, sorry, inside the graph. यो ग्राफमा नेसेसरीली गर्नुपर्ने काम के हुन्छ भने ग्राफमा ओरिजिनमा O, यतापट्टि y axis, यतापट्टि x axis, then here which we have taken this one box as 1 box, एउटा बक्सलाई 1 भनेर काउन्ट गर्दैछौ भने यसलाई यहाँनिर लेख्नु पर्ने हुन्छ by taking polygon tool. Okay, here at right top corner, यो कर्नरमा एउटा बक्स लिनु पर्यो which box we are counting as 1 जुन बक्सलाई हामी 1 काउन्ट गर्दै छौं त्यो बक्स लिइसकेर अनि त्यो बक्सलाई इट इज इक्वल टु 1 युनिट भनेर देखाउनु पर्छ है यहाँबाट फ्रम दिस वन इफ यु आर युजिङ दिस इफ यु वान्ट टु युज यु मे डाउनलोड इट अदरवाइज सिकेर कपीमा ड्र गर्दा हुन्छ है हियर वी हैव टु राइट इट इज इक्वल टु 1 स्क्वायर युनिट the bold letters similarly size large one यो टप कर्नरमा यहाँनिर लेख्न बिर्सिनु भएन इट इज इक्वल टु 1 स्क्वायर युनिट this one is 1 square unit and next one is this point another x axis next y axis as well as origin okay and which is our point of intersection you are clear about it point of intersection कति आयो भन्ने त क्लियर भयो नि
Yes, sir.
610 भन्ने
610,
point of intersection आयो यसपछि हामीले फाइनल एन्सर यहाँ लेख्नु पर्ने छ that we have to write here inside our solution point of intersection is 6 comma 10 PowerPoint window is visible to you
Yes, sir.
if point
sir.
of common solution is 6 comma 10 value of x is 6 and value of y is 10
10.
and these are our required answer so let's move to next question is this question clear is there any confusion
No, sir.
टेबल बनाएर ड्राइङ गरिसकेपछि हामीले त्यसपछि के गर्नुपर्ने छ ड्राइङ गरिसकेपछि पोइन्ट अफ इन्टरसेक्सन नै हाम्रो सोलुसन हुन्छ 6 कमा 10 that is x is equal to 6 y is equal to 10 are our answers so let's move to next question त्यस्तै गरी यो 10 नम्बर क्वेशन पनि गर्ने हो हामीले 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 is one equation another equation is 2x plus y is equal to 5 from equation first बाट 2y लाई अर्कोतिर लैजाऊ अनि त्यसपछि 3 लाई पनि लैजाऊ then you will get 3x is equal to 8 minus 2y and after that x is equal to 8 minus 2y divided by 3 up to now is there any confusion in it
No, sir.
okay if there is no confusion now tabulate the values of x and y from this one यहाँबाट x र y को भ्यालुहरु हामीले टेबुलेट गर्नुपर्ने हो y को भ्यालु राख्दै x को भ्यालु निकाल्दै गर्नुपर्ने हो if we'll tabulate the values of x and y we'll get these values if y is equal to 1 यो y को ठाउँमा 1 आयो भने 2 into 1 yes please reply it if value of y is 1 2 into 1 2 8 minus 2
6.
6 divided by 3
2
it is equal to 2 त्यसरी यो 2 आएको same use same process here also 7 7 2 ja 14 8 minus 14 minus 6 8 minus 14 minus 6 minus 6 divided by 3 it is minus 2
Minus
similarly if y is equal to minus 2 राख्यो भने minus into minus it is plus and minus 2 into minus 2 it is plus 4 8 plus 4
12.
8 plus 4 12 12 divided by 3
4.
it is 4 similarly tabulate the values of x and y for this next one also यसको लागि पनि त्यही काम गर्ने हो हामीले equation second also directly y is equal to 5 minus 2x यो y को भ्यालु निकाले पनि हुन्छ x को भ्यालु पनि here it is easy just take 2x to another side y is equal to 5 minus 2x now tabulate values of x and y अब यहाँ x को भ्यालु राख्नु पर्यो यहाँ x is equal to 8 minus 2y थियो y को भ्यालु प्लट गर्यौं यसमा x को भ्यालु प्लट गर्नुपर्ने हो if x is equal to 1 if x is equal to 1 2 1 जा 2 5 minus 2 कति हुन्छ त it is 3 isn't it हो त्यस्तै गरी x is equal to 2 राख्यो भने 2 2 जा 4 and 5
Four.
minus 4
1,
5 minus 4 1.
1,
Similarly, if we'll put 4 to the 8, 5 minus 8, it is minus 3.
-3.
3.
And next process is we have to plot these both tables on graph paper.
Graph.
And after plotting on graph paper, we will get the solution. To finish this one.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Okay, join your next class. Enjoy your day.
Bye, sir. Have a
Thank
nice
you,
day.
sir.
Have a nice day, sir.
yes, sir.